Enter your targeted keyword here. For this demonstration, I'll use Make Money Online. Next, select your targeted country. I'm choosing Australia. Now, click Search. After the search is complete, you'll get 30 video ideas that can help you discover popular content ideas related to your keyword. The first step is to click Copy Top 10 Titles. Done. Next, click Copy Top 7 Video Links. This will copy the links of the top-ranking videos for the same keyword in your selected country. These are the videos that are already ranking for this keyword. If you create a video with the exact same idea, viewers may not be interested because they've already seen similar content. As a result, they may skip your video. To generate fresh content ideas, click AI Video Idea Generation. The competitor video titles that you copied earlier will automatically appear in the competitors' titles section. You can review all the copied titles here. Now simply click Generate 20 AI Video Ideas. The AI will generate 20 unique video ideas based on your target keyword and your competitor's content. You can click Copy All AI Video Ideas to save them for future use. Using these AI-generated ideas, you can create unique videos targeting the same keyword while offering a fresh angle that is more likely to attract viewers.